Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this Crypto Insider. And today we're talking about the LayerEdge Beta Season 3. So we know that the LayerEdge Checker is yet to be out. It should be coming out today, and TGE is still going to be around June 2nd. So they're just basically two exchanges that have announced, Binance Alpha and KuCoin. So but yesterday LayerEdge launched this Season 3, and I'll be showing us how to go about it. Let's go back to their X page. So let's see what the LayerEdge Season 3 is all about. So as at now, you can see that it's just basically two listings. That's KuCoin has already talked about listing LayerEdge, and then the next listing has been talked about by Binance. That's Binance Alpha feature, and you can see 2nd June is the expected date for the TG. So but yesterday LayerEdge introduced Season 3, introducing the Edgen OS Lite node, the world's first people-backed ZK verifier Lite client, and this basically is going to run on the browser. So you just have to download the LayerEdge extension, because they just introduced an extension, and it's a browser-based node. Download the LayerEdge extension and then connect your account to it, and then allow it to run. You can run online and you can run offline. So you can go ahead to read the various things talked about by LayerEdge concerning this on the LayerEdge X page. You can just go over to your browser. You can use Chrome if you're using PC, or if you're using mobile, you can just download the MySys browser. I believe it already comes as a MySys browser, so go and download the MySys browser. This is how to set it up. You can see setup takes 6 seconds. Add the Edge OS extension, connect your wallet, enter your Edge OS key, start node, and endpoints. So what are you securing? You're securing the following: roll-up transitions, AI interference, ZK identity proofs, application level computations, and proof of humanity, truth, and state. I know that a particular allocation of LayerEdge airdrop has been kept aside for those who will be continuing in phase 3 and phase 4 of the LayerEdge node. So let's proceed. Let me show us how to log in for this airdrop. So go over to your MySys browser. So once you open dashboard.layeredge.io on your MySys browser, you can decide to use it like that, or you can go over here and convert it to desktop mode, to desktop site, so it will be easier for you to connect to your wallet. I was having issues connecting my wallet normally, so I have to convert to desktop site. So click on Get Started, and then connect any wallet of your choice, MetaMask, OKX, and ensure that the wallet extension has been installed on your MySys browser. So I'll be using MetaMask. So you can go ahead to connect your MetaMask to your LayerEdge browser. So the wallet has connected, and then this is the new dashboard for LayerEdge. So you can see GM Edgen. So it's actually a very simple dashboard. So all you have to do is, these are your phase 1 and phase 2 rewards, and then this is phase 3. So you just have to connect your extension and then allow the node to start running. And let's do that. For you to be able to do that, you have to be able to download the Edgen extension. So you can either click here or go over to your MySys Chrome extension to copy this. So the link to this extension will be in my description. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're watching my videos, do to give me a thumbs up. So let's download the Edgen OS extension. So this is the extension. So we currently have 4,000 users. So click on Add to Chrome. So we're done downloading the extension. So click on Review My Edgen OS for it to generate a key. So the key is going to be generated that you will copy and paste on the LayerEdge extension. So you can see that the key has been generated. You can zoom in. You can see the key has been generated. So just go. You can go here. You can view the key here. But then I'll just be going straight to copy this key. So ensure the key has been copied. Then open your extensions. Then open the Edgen Lite node extension. So the key copied, paste it in this particular place. So I've done this before, so I'm just doing this so I can get to show us how to participate. So just paste it and then click on the arrow for it to connect. So it's going to show whether your node is active or inactive. Once it's active, you just go back and say connecting. So you can close it and then open it again. So just click on, we've already added it, so just start my node and then the node is going to start running. So you can see it's currently running and our node is connected. So just whether you are on or off, online or offline, you can just, this node can be running in the background. But remember how we run our LayerEdge, after every 24 hours you come back and you restart it. So we have a node uptime of 21 minutes and this is the current node points I have for phase 3. So just refresh it here, close the extension. So once you close the extension, so you come over here, it's still showing node inactive in the main browser, showing node inactive. So just refresh this place too. So you see that's changed to node active. So our node points will start adding up as soon as possible. So what else? I can say our Edgen node is connected. I can see it has currently added up. So you can just leave it to keep running in the background. So what else do you need to know about this season 3 of the Edgen token? So let's go back to referrals. So overnight, just to mine the nodes and then referrals. The season 1 and season 2 taught us that referrals are actually quite important for their allocation. So let's go over to referrals and let's see what we need to do. So this is the Edgen referral program. So this is the referrals from season 2. Over here you can just click on it to copy your referral code, and these are the various programs for referral. Then invite friends and grow your earnings. So you can see, for you to be eligible to refer friends in this season 3, you should have achieved 100 hours node uptime. 1 hour of uptime is equals to 1 referral. So if you have up to 100 hours uptime, you're able to refer 1 person. So it's to help regulate the amount of persons that each person can refer. Then once your friends join and have also reached their own 100 hours node uptime, then you can begin to earn percentages from their node points. I think that's all for this airdrop. So if you're going to be participating in this airdrop, do well to drop a comment in the comment section. So the link to join this, if LayerEdge at all, the link to join will be in the description. So endeavor to keep mining while we await the allocation checker for today. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can be getting videos from me. You can also join my Telegram community in the description so you can be getting quicker updates before I make videos on them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.